Hello and welcome back to the start of week 2 of the Idiot Trading Challenge, episode 8. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to be the first to hear about new episodes, make sure to hit the bell icon. As ever, if you want to help me out in this challenge, you can do so by clicking the affiliate link down in the description, and both me and you will receive a free share. Anyway, that's everything from me today. Hopefully you enjoy this episode.
I think Tom's going to go big. I think he's going to go one or two.
He's going to split up. He's not going to spend everything straight away.
He loves his entertainment. He loves Disney. He loves Cineworld.
Facebook or Twitter, something like that as well for the social media side of him.
So obviously I've lost the trading challenge for week 1. I was quite happy with my results. It's not that big of a deal, but I've sent over the screenshot to Tom. So here's the screenshot sent across to Tom, and he'll be doing his own analysis of this. I just thought I'd run through it from my point of view and what I think he'll get out of this. Obviously National Grid, we both bought, so he won't find anything out there. Amazon is obviously an American firm doing very well, hitting all-time highs. So he might think that's a bit odd from me because I tend to be a bit more cautious. And then Cranswick are a local company, so that's probably, he'll know I've found them through that. But the fact that they're ever so slightly minus might make him think that it's not doing very well, and I'm just relying on Amazon. What he isn't seeing here is my watch list and all the other things I've got going in there. So it'd be interesting to see how he views the fact that Amazon is basically the only one that's giving me a chance of beating him at the moment, because we've both got National Grid and Cranswick is in negative. So yeah, I'm very interested to hear what he thinks about this.
So it's the start of week 2. I'm coming into this week with a win, which I'm so happy about. I can't believe I beat Matt. Obviously I was hoping to, but it was good to see that we could actually get that over the line. Now, just some quick catch-up bits with what's been going on today, really. I have invested in Wirecard, which it'll be backdated when you see this, but essentially there's been 2 billion that's missing, apparently, of them. So their shares have plummeted. So I've picked up a few of them. We're going to see how it goes. It's a fairly risky one, I think, anyway, but hopefully we might be able to get a little bit out of there. Aston Martin isn't doing as well as I'd kind of hoped it would be, which that's fine. And I've also invested in Babcock. So we have a few shares going on right now. EasyJet seems to be doing okay. Royal Bank of Scotland's doing really well. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Obviously with me winning, the forfeit was I could request a screenshot of Matt's shares. I probably did that a bit prematurely. I did it straight away, and he's only invested in 3 different things, really. He's got Amazon, Cranswick and the National Grid, which is the one that we both have. Amazon kind of makes sense. Cranswick I didn't expect him to go with, but yeah, that's fine. What I should have done though is I should have waited until later this week, because I think he's going to pick up a few. I know he's got a few on his watch list that he's kind of looking at. I should have waited to see which ones it is that he goes into. But as it stands, I'm quite happy with how everything's going, and I'm excited to go into this week knowing that I have spent my full 200 now, and I'm still in the positive.
But yeah, just a quick update. We're halfway through, well, nearly all the way through Tuesday now. I've still not bought anything else. Still got Cranswick, Amazon and National Grid. However, I have put a sell order for Cranswick as earlier today it went quite high and I missed it. It went to 3785, having bought it at 3584. So it would have been a good return. So I've put a sell order in if it reaches, I believe, 3750. This is just so that I get about a 3% return on it, and so it's not been a fantastic, it's been up and down quite a bit. So I'd try to get rid of it if I can get a decent return on it, at about 3%, so that would be good. And then the other thing I'm looking at, and I'm literally tracking as I do this video, is Twitter. I did some analysis on the chart, and basically I think it was at, let me just quickly check, a certain price. I can't remember what price it was, but I thought it was at a breaking out point of 33.16 pence per share, and I thought it was at a breaking out point there. it's hit that point, so I just want to track where it goes now to see if it's going to go down or if it's going to break upwards, and I'll make my decision based on that. I've also added PayPal and Intuit to the watch list. Gamma Communications, Diageo and Boohoo remain on there. Boohoo I don't think will come anywhere near, it just keeps trending upwards, so we're probably going to miss out on that one. Diageo had a bit of a poor day yesterday, and I thought it might continue, but it seems to have stabilised a little bit today, but we'll keep an eye on it. And the same with Gamma Communications, just seems to be pretty steady away, so we'll keep an eye on them. But yeah, so we're currently in Amazon, who's at an all-time high, which is a bit risky. National Grid, obviously we're keeping that one till the end, and that's doing really well for us. And Cranswick, which I've now got the sell order on. Hopefully Tom's having a slightly worse week than he did last week, and I'm able to reel it back in and force him to sell one of his stocks at the end of this week. If I change anything between now and the end of the week, I will make sure to let you know.
So we're now into Wednesday. I didn't record anything yesterday. There wasn't much movement. It was going fairly positive. I was probably up about £215, £216, and as you can see, I am no longer there. Yeah, let's have a quick look at what's going on with that. So we have Aston Martin, which is down 13%, Babcock down almost 3%, EasyJet down 5.5%. National Grid is still up, that's up by 6%. Next is only up by 1% now. Royal Bank of Scotland up by 6%, which has fallen by about 4% from yesterday. And the wild card that I threw out, which funnily enough is called Wirecard, that was the one I was talking about earlier on in the week, where they've lost 2 billion. I still not 100% what is going on with that, but this is fluctuating like mad. When I was looking at this this morning, it was up by 5%, maybe something like that. Let's just check that actually, just to make sure. Yeah, you see here right at the start, it went up a fair bit, and it's just plummeted ever since. Hopefully it doesn't stay like that. We'll just have to keep an eye on it. If it looks like it's coming up a bit, then I'll hold on to it. If it's just going to mellow back out to where it was that I bought it, I'll sell it, I'll move on to something else. But I'll definitely have to keep my eye on the news for what's going on with that one. But yes, so just to recap, we've got Aston Martin, Babcock, EasyJet, National Grid, Next, Royal Bank of Scotland and Wirecard.
Thanks for watching another episode of the Idiot Trading Challenge. If you've enjoyed this, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you could share it with a friend, that'd be absolutely amazing. If you want to help me out in this challenge, you can sign up to Trading 212 platform via the link in our description. If you do that, we'll both receive a share free of charge worth up to £100. Obviously, make sure to check out the T's and C's before you do that. But until next time, thanks for watching.